Welcome back to another tutorial from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Rabby wallet application on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and now type in Rabby wallet to begin your search. Once you find the application, you can tap on it and check out the application info as well as the reviews left by users. Now, in order to install it, tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the app. Just wait until this process is done, and you can also toggle the auto open button, which will automatically open up the application. Once you open up the application, you can proceed with creating your new wallet account or signing in to your existing one. And there you have it. That is how you can download and install the Rabby wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.